Runners lead off first and second here at the top of the fourth. Revere loops it toward left field. Coming on is Marte. He's not going to get it. Around third, heading home is Brown. Here's the throw to the plate. It's offline, and the Phillies take the lead. It gets away from Martin, so everybody moves up. It's 1-0 Phils. Now they'll score a single and an RBI for Revere. And Marte is going to be charged with his fourth error of the season. That enables the runners to move up an extra base.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised he didn't throw this ball all the way, soft single into left field. Now watch him, he gets behind it. I thought he could have been able to throw that all the way. Elected to throw the ball to one hop. You know, a lot of times